For this problem, the equation is going to be 2 parentheses x minus 5 parentheses squared minus 8. And if you put it in the calculator, it should look like this, but better and straighter and more to scale, I would think. And you can find the vertex just by even looking at the equation if you don't want to go to second graph. And you can figure it out by switching the negative 5 and making it a positive because it's inside the parentheses, and just keeping the negative 8, not changing that because it's outside the parentheses right there. The x-intercept is going to be 3 and 7 because it crosses the x at 3 and 7. The y-intercept is going to be 0 and 42, but you can't see it here, but it will eventually cross at 42. But I don't have a graph that goes to 42, so you're going to have to imagine that it gets to 42 somehow. The roots or zeros are going to be 3 and 7, kind of like the x-intercept, which is 3 and 7, because it crosses the x-axis at 3 and 7. The axis of symmetry, where it cuts the parabola in half, is going to be 5, because at 5 it goes straight through and makes it symmetrical on both sides if you cut it in half. It's going to be a minimum at negative 8 because it starts at negative 8 and continues on upwards forever. The domain is always negative infinity, infinity for any problem like this. And the range is going to be negative 8 to infinity because it starts at negative 8 and then continues on upward to positive infinity.